Working in the lab late one night, when my eyes beheld an eerie sight, when my monster from his slab began to rise, and suddenly, to my surprise, he did the monster mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. He did the monster mash. From my laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom where the vampires feast, the ghouls all came from their humble abode to get a jolt from my electrode. They did the Monster Mash. It was a graveyard smash.
They did the mash.
It caught on in a flash.
They did the mash.
They did the Monster Mash. The zombies were having fun.
And a shoot wild.
The party had just begun.
And a shoot wild.
The guests included Wolfman,
And a shoot wild.
Dracula, and his son.
They played
The
the
scene was rocking, all were digging the sounds. Igor on chains backed by his baying hounds.
They played the mash.
The coffin bangers were about to arrive
They played the
with their
mash.
vocal group, the Crypt Kicker Five. They played the Monster Mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. They played the Monster Mash. Out from his coffin, Drac's voice did ring.
The Monster Mash.
Seems he was troubled by just one thing.
It's now the mash.
Opened the lid and shook his fist and
Now
said,
the mash.
"Whatever happened to my Transylvania twist?"
Wow.
It's now the Monster Mash.
Wow.
And it's a graveyard smash.
Wow.
It's caught on in a flash.
Wow.
It's now the Monster Mash. Now everything's cool, Drac's a part of the plan. And my Monster Mash is the hit of the land.
Then you can
For
mash.
you, the living, this mash was meant to. When you get to my door, tell them Boris sent you. Then you can Monster Mash and do my graveyard smash. You'll catch on in a flash. Then you can Monster Mash.
Monster Mash. Wow.
Easy, Igor, you impetuous young boy.
Monster Mash. Wow. Monster Mash. Wow.
stench of blood to terrorize your neighborhood. And whomsoever shall be found without their souls all getting down must stand and face the hounds of hell and rot inside a corpse's shell. The foul stench is in the air, the funk of 40,000 years, and grisly ghouls from every tomb are closing in to seal your doom. And though you fight to stay alive, your body starts to quiver. For no mere mortal can resist the evil of the thriller.
Well, I saw this thing coming out of the sky. It had one long horn and one big eye. I commenced to shaking and I said, ooh-wee. It looks like a purple people eater to me. It was a one-eyed, one-horn, flying purple people eater.
One-eyed, one-horn, flying purple people
It was
eater.
a one-eyed, one-horn, flying purple people eater. Sure looks strange to me.
One-eyed.
Well, he came down to earth and lit in a tree. I said, Mr. Purple People Eater, don't eat me. I heard him say in a voice so gruff,
I wouldn't eat you 'cause you're so tough.
it was a one-eyed, one-horn, flying purple people eater. One-eyed, one-horn, flying purple people eater. One-eyed, one-horn, flying purple people eater. Sure looks strange to me. I said, Mr. Purple People Eater, what's your line? He said, it's eating purple people and it sure is fine. But that's not the reason that I came to land.
I wanna get a job in a rock and roll band.
Well, bless my soul, rock and roll, flying purple people eater. Pigeon-toed, undergrowth, flying purple people eater.
We wear short shorts.
Flying purple people eater sure looks strange to me. Well, he swung from the tree and laid on the ground. He started rocking around. It was a crazy ditty with a swinging tune.
A wop bop a look like a bim bam boom.
Bless my soul, rock and roll, flying purple people eater. Pigeon-toed, undergrowth, flying purple people eater.
I love short shorts.
Flying purple people eater sure looks strange to me.
Purple people.
He went on his way, and what do you know? I saw him last night on a TV show. He was blowing out and really knocking them dead, playing rock and roll music through the horn in his head.